What's up? It's Zoe, back with another video, finally. I wanted to make this video because I've been living in New York City for the past couple of months, officially like all moved in and everything, and I wanted to do a little apartment tour. My roommate and I live in a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. We built a flex wall, so we split our living room into two, so part of it's the living room, part of it is my roommate Morgan's room. If you want to see what my apartment looks like, just keep watching. Welcome to our apartment. So you walk in and the first thing you see to the right is our coat closet. So we just have all of our big winter coats in here, some cleaning supplies like our vacuum. We walk here, to the right is the bathroom, which I'll show you in a second. And then over here is just kind of the overview of our kitchen living room space. It's not the biggest, but it's also a pretty great size for a New York City apartment. So here's our kitchen. We have all pretty nice appliances, this cute little grass thing that I got from HomeGoods, our amazing microwave, stove, oven setup. Yeah, our dishwasher and stuff, all of like cups and plates in those cabinets. Then we come over to here, we have this gorgeous view. Let me just take a moment here. You can see the Hudson River from our apartment, our lovely couch, and this coffee table we got from IKEA, couch we got from Raymore and Flanagan, and then this rug is from Wayfair. And then we have a little lamp in the corner, and then if you just turn around, this table, my pants are drying on these chairs, sorry. Our table's from IKEA and so are the chairs. Here's our TV and the TV stand. Now let's move on to the bathroom. So the bathrooms are only like complete room, I'd say, but we have these cute little like hand towels that match the shower curtain. It's a pink and gray theme in the bathroom. I don't know, I think it's cute. And then we have this like medicine cabinet. We just keep all of our stuff in here. Kind of a small bathroom, but it does the job. I'm loving this dope sign also that's above our toilet. The shower is like a pretty good shower. We have this great hanger that like hangs all of our stuff. Then come out and then there's this little like linen closet, so we just keep like detergent and stuff up there, towels, sheets, etc. And then you come into my room. So just go around this way. This is a picture that I'm gonna hang up, but there's a little crack in the frame right here, so I need to get it reframed, which I haven't done yet, and it's been like a few weeks, so I'm gonna get on that. Then you come here, it's like this is like my favorite corner I think in the room, with my clothing rack and this cool mirror. So I got this mirror from Amazon, kind of obsessed with it. And then I also got this little fur rug from Amazon. Lamp is from IKEA. You come over here and the clothing rack I got from IKEA, and then I just have like some of my favorite pieces on there that are all black, white, gray. Not all of my shoes, but a bunch of my shoes down here, they all happen to be black and white. I didn't even plan that. I guess I just only own black and white shoes. I'm missing a candle right there because it's in the kitchen right now, but yeah, these are just like some cute succulents I got at HomeGoods. Here's the view from my bedroom. It's pretty awesome. And I'm gonna get curtains here, but haven't done that yet, so I just have like blinds for right now. I have my guitar, a little garbage can right there, and then my newest addition to the room is this really cool like cow print chair that I got from Overstock, and then another white Amazon fur rug, and then this is like my little vanity. So I got this mirror from IKEA, lamp is from Target, this little tray is from HomeGoods, so I just have like some cute jewelry on there. I keep like a bunch of random like makeup brushes and stuff in here. I just went to Mean Girls on Broadway last night, so that's why that's there. Majority of my makeup that I use like all the time is right here. The rest is in this drawer. I have like some Q-tips right in here. Then my favorite part, my bed. Yeah, I just went for like a plain white look, but the headboard I feel like is pretty cool. I got the bedding at Bloomingdale's, I believe, and then this little blanket's from Target. I've had it for a few years. This great rug is from Wayfair, which I love. This night table is from Wayfair, and then I have this lamp that I stole from my house at home, just because I didn't have an extra lamp. Then I have my little one line a day right here, so I write in it every day. And here's my closet. These are my clothes. I tried to organize them in color order, but it doesn't really look that great. So maybe I'll have to redo that. That is my room. It definitely needs some art on the wall though. Like I need something above my bed right here. So if anyone has any suggestions, I clearly need some pop of color. I'm thinking something pink, maybe to tie in with that like lips poster over there. So then this is my roommate Morgan's room. She just has like a cute little like dressing makeup area over here with her mirror. Another great view. There she is doing work. And then her bed. I love this bed. This was the flex room. So we built this wall. We didn't build it, but they came in and built this wall and basically made the living room into 2 parts. So that's how we got this separate living room and her bedroom. So I hope you enjoyed that little apartment tour. If you did, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, and as always, please subscribe. It would be awesome if you did. If you have any questions about where I got anything and I didn't specify, just leave it in the comments down below and I'll be sure to answer you. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!